Hi, I'm Bob Alsop with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me Routerbob. It's been an unbelievable year here in both our CNC router and plasma divisions. Because of the hard work of all our employees, we've been able to keep lead times manageable even during a year of record product demand. For the last few years, our rapid growth has really been at the expense of our competitors, which really shows you the popularity of competitively priced American-made CNC routers. This year, we developed the new ISM series of ShopSabre CNC routers. What this actually does is it gives our customers the ability to grow without leaving the ShopSabre brand. We started with our most advanced and popular IS series CNC routers, and we integrated the Mitsubishi M80 machine control system, the fastest machine control in the world. This technology created the platform for a whole series of advanced products. And we were able to do this without sacrificing the ease of use user interface that ShopSabre is famous for. We have also invested heavily this year in customer support to ensure that you're successful with your ShopSabre CNC. And we have big plans for next year. When you purchase a ShopSabre CNC router, you become part of our Sabre Nation user group. It's a private online group where members share ideas. I'm amazed at how talented some of our members have become. And what's really nice is if you're a new user, they're always willing to help you. Along the same line in 2019, ShopSabre introduced Sabre Nation University. Now, Sabre Nation University was designed to provide in-depth video training for Sabre Nation members. The idea is to help you get a quick start on using your ShopSabre CNC router. 2 years ago, we moved to a new facility that was twice as big as our previous facility. Over the recent Thanksgiving holiday, we moved again, doubling our facility size again. That gives us much more capacity and the ability to introduce more products and services. Having a larger facility also lets us expand our demonstration areas and our customer support areas. We also had a great year in our ShopSabre video program. Here's some scenes that didn't make the final cut. Hi, I'm Bob Alsop of the ISM series. Let's talk about what that is. In order for, oh, I got the glasses on wrong. It has the T-slot option. It doesn't have the T-slot option. Okay, when did you notice that? Increased accuracy.
You have 11 minutes.
Oh, wait, it's nothing. Let's take a break. Teach you how to make a pod table for your ShopSabre. Cut. Our CNC machine control. What time? Okay. Did I say? Well, our plasma part. My elbow popped. There it is. There it is. It was hiding in there all the time.
I liked it.
Is that it? One shot Bob. That's what they call him. There it is. One shot Bob is what they call him. We appreciate the confidence our customers have placed in our ShopSabre CNC products. If you think this year was amazing, well, you see what's coming.
Thanks for watching.